sauce on me. I got drip, flood the wrist. It's homage to the whip. Still got juice, bitch I'm lit. See the flex, walking lit. Do that for that check, do that for that check, do that for that check, yeah, do that for that check. She won't face.
Hey kings and queens, welcome back to the channel. It's the girl AnekeAnnakay. How y'all doing or whatever? How y'all doing or whatever? Hey. Okay guys, so today's Cash Out Friday is a little bit different. Little baby thought she was about to come on here and fake the funk, but I just gotta be real with y'all like 110%. You feel me? So I had a bad day. I did not feel like recording at all. And I previously recorded this video and I was just like, I'm fake as hell. I'm fake as hell and that ain't the move. I'm just gonna let y'all know what's up. So this is the money from my previously recorded video, and I just left it here. And I'm just gonna go through with you guys and let you guys know what I spent my money on and how much it is in total. So I bought 4 things from allowance, and I think it came up to $44 when I calculated all of it, and it was on food because little baby don't do nothing else but buy food stuff. Okay, so I spent $44 from my allowance on food. That's the first thing. So 20, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, right? $44 on food. Then I spent 2 things from my miscellaneous envelope, which was to buy a damn mask for $25. I didn't know it was that damn expensive. And then of course Cricket decided to charge me again, but you know what? That's my fault because I still haven't got my life together to talk to them. So it is what it is. So that was $35, right? So this is 20, 25, 30, 35, because this was $25 and $10. And the last thing I bought was from my going out. And this was just to go on trips, which came up to a total of $205. And that is what we have here left over. So I'm gonna count up everything. Let me make sure this is still in frame for y'all. Okay, so we're gonna count up the money. Because guys, I really was about to be out here faking the funk, and I was just like, you fake as hell. Don't do that. Let people know that you have bad days. Let people know that sometimes you don't want to budget. I really was just watching this girl talking about everyone wants to be a YouTuber until, and honestly, this is one of those moments. Like, everyone wants to be a YouTuber until, little baby, you got to record when you don't want to record. Okay. So let me count up this money real quick. So for this week, I spent 100, 200, 20, 40, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 81, 82, 83, and 84. So this week I spent $284, and I might even be getting some money back from this going out envelope because I'm canceling one of my trips. But yeah, guys, this video was really quick. And also, I'm such an child. So I didn't say my shout out, but my shout out for this video is Chelsea J Lifestyle and Budgets. If I remember correctly, Chelsea J girl, don't be mad at me, sis. I really wanted to give my full amount, my all, but I also want to be authentic. And so make sure you guys just go like, comment, and subscribe to her channel. Go ahead and show your support. But I'm just trying to find her information, because I write down all y'all information. So I'm just trying to make sure I have the correct information. I'm not telling you guys nothing crazy, but I didn't want to come on here and fake the funk, guys. I wanted to let y'all know that I'm not always in a good mood. I'm not always happy, but what I want to always be is real with you guys, you know? Yes, so it's Chelsea J Budgets and Lifestyle. That is my shout out for this video, guys. Please go ahead and support her. Okay, support each other. And yeah, there's also 2 girl baby. There's 2 other saving challenges starting in April. One is by Rab's Wallet and a Garden of Thoughts, and the other one, if you have done March Madness, is from the March Madness group as well. Well, March Madness money group as well. So those are the 2 new challenges, baby. Pray for my bank account. Pay for my bank account. What else? Oh, y'all, my giveaway for week 4 is still going on, so make sure you guys enter that giveaway. You know, follow the rules, watch the entire video, guys. If you leave a comment and your comment ain't there no more, little baby ain't to tell it to you, but YouTube think you fake. YouTube think you a scam. YouTube think you a spam. Okay, watch the entire video, comment on all the videos, and then, you know, just follow the rules. I have the link in my comments and the description box. But guys, I spent $284 this week. Like I said, I want to be real with y'all. I don't want to fake the funk, but that is all of what happened. And yeah, I really don't have anything else to say. But thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys so much for supporting me. I'm at over 800 subscribers, baby. Okay, listen, okay? Twerk in the mornings, my twerkers of the morning. But yeah, that's really all I have. So thank you guys so much for the support. Thank you guys so much for sticking by me and, you know, supporting me and helping me through this journey. Honestly, some of y'all I would not make this without. So thank you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.
How you wanna do it? How you wanna get it? I'm out that, out of my mind. Can't even talk, can't even walk. Bad little thing.